You, me, and anybody who ever measures Earth measure it flat. There aren't any exceptions. It doesn't matter if you're Dave McKeegan, who measured Earth flat for a 24-hour period in Antarctica, but for the fact that he was outsmarted by his own tripod.
No, he wasn't.
He would have measured Earth flat.
It's you who don't understand the most basic things, Nathan. He only measured it flat in your wet dreams, Nathan.
For a 24-hour period using elevation angles to the sun.
And still Nathan can't explain how we can have a 24-hour sun on Antarctica if the Earth is flat.
Or Simon Dan measuring elevation angles to the sun with 1,000 plus participants all using surface level of Earth.
Surface level of Earth? Of course you must hold the instrument that you use for measuring at a known angle. But this fool claims that you only can measure angles to the stars, to the sun and so on a flat Earth. But then it would only be possible to measure, for instance, the sun angle on a flat plane.
For the elevation angles, 1,000 of them. So it doesn't matter who you are or your belief in a globe. You will, I will, we will, and it can only be, that's Earth, measured flat in all instances. So what does that mean for me? It means I get the mess around. I get generally jerked around by my commenters and YouTube.
And the reason to that is quite simple. You are nothing but a big fraud. Time to man up and show us some real evidence for your fantasies.
Nathan Oakley claims the Earth is flat. He claims space is fake. He is obsessed with his mute button. He is rude. He is a flat earth fool. He is a fraud.